How to fix Roblox restarting. The first thing that you need to do is open up your computer search and you just want to search for Roblox player. Right click and then open file location. From here you will again find your Roblox player, right click on it and open file location once more until you see Roblox player beta. Once you see this, right click on it, show more options, properties, go to compatibility, and you want to check these two options or three. Run this program in compatibility mode 4, leave it as Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Click on OK. Now we need to do one more thing, which is going to be copying this link here, this path. Once you have it copied, you will open up your computer search for virus and threat protection, open this up. Now you will click on virus and threat protection settings, manage settings, exclusions. At the bottom, add or remove exclusion, click on yes. Now you will click on add an exclusion, file, and you want to paste the path right here, which we just copied, and you will press enter. Afterwards, right here, you will just click on Roblox player beta and open, and this is going to make sure that Roblox works properly. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.